So welcome back और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं that what should be your target percentile to get into your dream IIMs जिनको आप target कर रहे हो, whether it's tier 1, tier 2, baby, new, older and all the IIMs. So we'll be discussing for all the categories which include general, OBC, EWS, ST, SC and PWD. Now let's talk about the very first thing. Reality check 99 percentile. By 99 percentile is not the target for everyone, right? Your real number depends on category, because I have a lot of my students with 83, 85 get called for a lot of baby IIMs because they belongs to OBC category. ST/SC candidates convert top IIMs at 85, structural cutoff open much earlier. A general engineer male can still miss at 99.6 percentile because उस category में बहुत ज़्यादा cutoff है. अब what matters when it comes to even 100 percentile cannot guarantee you to get into IIM Ahmedabad, because यहाँ पे category, academics, gender, everything, you know, it's all about your holistic overall profile, right? Now if I talk about everything matters, आपका CAT का percentile 50 से 60% का weightage रहता है CAT के percentile का. So 50 to 60% weightage goes to your CAT percentile. Your 10-12th marks, right, ये भी matter करते हैं, आपके graduation के marks भी matter करते हैं. Non-engineer stream competition on a lower side, I've seen students with BBA, BCom getting called with 98 percentile even. Female candidate हो तो gender diversity का भी point मिलता है, experience का भी point मिलता है. Miss a sectional cutoff even with a high overall score, you're out. I've been to IMT Nagpur and a lot of colleges. I've interacted with students with 97, 98 percentile, but they were not able to convert sectional. उनका sectional cutoff clear नहीं था. तो make sure कि अगर आप अपनी preparation कर रहे हो तो आपको हर section में sectional cutoff तो clear करना ही पड़ेगा to get calls from all these colleges. Now, if I talk about Blackie is basically the older IIMs, so which is अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कैलकाटा, लखनऊ, कोईकोड, इंदौर एंड इसमें मुंबई भी ऐड हो गया है because it's NITI Mumbai is also a very old institution. So general 99.6, right? Non-engineers 98.5 as I told you. OBC 95, 95.5, 93. EWS 96 plus, 94 plus for non-engineers. SC 88 plus. 85 plus for non-engineers, 82 PWD ST category, 78 plus for non-engineers, PWD 75, 70 plus for non-engineers. अब सोचो even older IIMs में student with 70, 78, 82 percentile get into it for the category वाले students, but ऐसा नहीं है सभी category में. ऐसा even seen a lot of videos online जहाँ पे 98, 97 percentile वाले भी ST/SC students हैं. But this is the bare minimum requirement to get into these colleges. तो आप सोचो as high as 99.6, as low as 78 percentile to get into older IIMs for a category student. So जितने भी category के students हैं भाई, अगर आप percentile इतने नहीं ला पा रहे हैं तो आपको literally give up कर देना चाहिए, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you know 78, 80 percentile, 85 is not that difficult comparatively to scoring 99.99 percentile. तो please strategize, आप अपने इस benefit को अच्छे से utilize कीजिए. Now if I talk about new IIMs, which is general 93, OBC 70, sorry, OBC is like 74, EWS 74, 54 for SC, 40 for ST. मैंने बोला मतलब 74 minimum. They have seen student 83, 84 getting calls for new IIMs and all these, which is again Udaipur, Trichy, Ranchi, Raipur, Kashipur and more. Now next slide. BB IIMs की अगर हम बात करें तो 90 से 92 for general, OBC 72 से 74, EWS 72 से 74, SC 50 से 52, 38 से 40 for the ST category. Sirmaur, Sambalpur, Bodh Gaya, Jammu and Nagpur. So these were again the, so what are your action plan? Find your category number. So सबसे पहले find your category number, not the internet average. Clear sectional cutoff first. Over scores come second. Non-engineers and women get real bonus points. Aim your target percentile because you still have 4 months with you to get into all your dream colleges. बहुत सारी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजीज, मॉक स्ट्रैटेजीज आपको व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी पे मिलेगी, तो जल्दी से जाके ज्वाइन इन। टिल देन दिस वाज मी अर्शिकान साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं एक और एपिसोड के साथ।
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.